Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Honor 6. In today's video we'll see what we have from this band, what option do we have in the software, and later we will run some tests, see how this function will work. In the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So if you're interested to see all of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified. And let's go ahead, start without losing any time. As you can see, we have the package of the Honor 6 in front of us. You can see the picture of the Honor 6. In the back, we got some information like 1.46 AMOLED display. We have some information other than that. 2 weeks battery life with convenient magnetic fast charger. We have 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Female cycle that week for the ladies that they can use. In the package, as you can see, we have a screen protector, the watch itself, the magnetic charger that I mentioned before, and we have the papers that are necessary about this device. So to power it on, we have only one button in the right side. Press and hold, and you can see immediately the Honor sign. In this watch we have different health caring, sports, and other things that we will see right now. As you can see, the watch comes in very good package. Now we have the first look at the watch. As you can see, very good first page, very good colors. The AMOLED looks pretty good. In the taskbar we have time, percentage of battery, date, and some shortcuts as well, like do not disturb, vibration, find phone, etc. Down we have notifications. In the left we have the activity goal. In the right we have here the heart rate, weather. We have to connect it first. We have music control, Alipay, and again the activity goal. If you go to the app list from the bottom, we have the workout records, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, music control, notification, weather, Alipay, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and the settings. In the settings we have the display, the first option, watch face, favorite. Here in the watch face we can change the watch face, as well as in the app we can download more. As you can see, this looks pretty good. We have the favorites right here, which we can change. Again, we can customize a couple of things. The brightness, as you can see, all the way up to 5, very good brightness. We have the advanced, as you can see, the options to customize. We have the vibration, do not disturb, workout settings, and the system help and about at the bottom. So this is all the options that we have in this watch. So let's begin immediately with some tests, see how this watch will work. It's brand new, just unboxed. Workout is the first option. As you can see, we have outdoor run, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, elliptical, rower, other. So plenty of options, not as many as before Huawei's that we unboxed, for example the Huawei Watch S. But you can see again we have here the heart time at the top, heart rate zone, heart rate, distance. We have the music in the right, time, pace, seconds, and burn calories. These are all the options that we have in the Huawei Honor 6. In the right we have music control that we saw, and again in the second page of the right side we have the Alipay. That was the workout. The heart rate is the next option. As you can see, we have immediately the result at the top, measuring immediately as soon as you go in. We have some statistic, highest and lowest heart rate, as well the heart rate down below. And as I always say, all these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out. This was the heart rate option. We have all the options that are necessary to know about the heart rate. Then the second option after that is the blood oxygen. As you can see, it will take a little bit longer, but this is how the result will look like. We have heart rate result and blood oxygen at one place. After that we have the sleep, which is which it will measure automatically itself. We have here the breathing exercise. You can change the rhythm. I'm going to let like it is, and we have 1, 2, or 3 minutes. I'm going for 1 minute just to show you how it works. So breathing is simple. You just have to inhale and exhale like it says in the watch, and this option will help you reduce stress and lower your blood pressure and heart rate as well. You can see the result of breathing exercise for 1 minute, and these are all the things that we can test here in the Honor 6. So guys, this was all the options that we can test, and these were the result. You can see here we have the previous Honor 5i, and we'll compare with other watches in the next video. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.